Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 10th and we're looking at AAL, American Airlines, 60 minutes time frame as our chart of the day for today. Now we can see there is a bullish sequence, which is basically to say that the right side or the trend is bullish, and it is bullish against this $12.11. We ended with B here at 12.11 and now extending higher within with C. Within with C, it subdivides into 5 waves, and we should be getting close to complete the wave 1. Now, of course, with the trend being bullish, we do not like selling, right? Selling is a no-no when the trend is bullish, but selling should present an opportunity to buy in the dips within a bullish trend if it happens, right? A 3-way pullback to correct this cycle is going to be happening relatively soon, unless it becomes a nest and continues to extend higher. But otherwise, we should be looking for a pullback soon, and the pullback should continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing against $12.11 for the upside. Now, zooming out to the daily, let's take a look at the larger time frame. This is the P here and the A. So this is the P, which you can see on the daily time frame right here. So if you look at the daily time frame, what we got here is we made a significant low back in April, and then from here we got a higher high and higher lows, and this will be what we call the connector, right? So from the lows, you can measure it this way. So as you can see, 100% extension points to minimum target is $16.55. Okay. Now there's also this ABC here, which is also already reaching the 100%. Now, the other option I can think about is the following. You can end this cycle and get a pullback to correct this entire cycle from October, instead of just correcting this, which is what we are showing here, to correct this with 1. You could be correct. So instead of correcting just this, you could be correcting this in 3 swings. So you can. So if this is a corrective rally, right? Think of it as a WX and then another WX here. So it's a 3 ways ending W, and then you get an X. But still, even it basically we have 2 options. Either we are correcting this cycle or we're correcting this cycle. But the trend, the sequence remains bullish from April low, targeting 1655 minimum. Right, targeting 1655 minimum, regardless whether we're just correcting this or we're correcting this during the subsequent pullback here, right? So if it is correcting this, the pullback will be a bit bigger. If it is correcting this, the pullback will be simply just this kind of wave 2 pullback. Okay, so pullback will follow the 3-7-11 swing structure, because that's the nature of a corrective structure, right? And then should be extending higher. Now, in terms of what could be the level, well, technically we have to wait for the pullback to happen before we can measure C equal A, right? Usually that's how you do it. But you can always use retracement just to give you a rough idea for the time being. So for a wave 2, typically as a guideline, ideally should be at least 38.2% retracement. It can be more than that. It could be 50, 61.8% retracement. But typically as a guideline, expect around at least 38.2% retracement once wave 1 is complete. So if wave 1 is complete exactly right here, then you should be expecting at least around 38.2 minimum, usually for wave 2. And again, target on the upside, as I mentioned before, is going to be at least 1655. Alright, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on AAL or any other stock, ETF, commodities, Forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.